Today I'm making some honey ginger glazed garlic pork chops. I'm letting them sear on both sides, and then I'm going to pour my concoction once I get it mixed on top of them and throw it in the oven while I make my homemade macaroni and cheese, which I have Himalayan pink salt inside there. So that's what we're having today, along with some fresh spinach, and that is going to be our dinner. I don't know if I'm going to do dinner rolls or not, but so far this is what we're having, and they ready to eat already, because if you can smell the spices and the ginger on this meat, oh my gosh, it is so good. Guys, I love to cook and I love to share, but I would rather share what y'all want me to share. But it seems like every time I cook something, y'all want me to share. But it's kind of hard, guys, for me to always, depending on how busy I am or what we got going on, to set up the lights and everything to make it real nice and clear for you guys. If you guys don't mind it always being extra bright, because I don't have no lights in here now. I don't have the lights on in here now. They're not on like they would if I was recording. And I don't know if this is bright enough or this is fine for you guys. You guys have to let me know, because I don't mind sharing, but just to set up, sometimes them lights get hot and it's already hot in the kitchen, and your girl be like, oh no, I'm not in the mood for all the lights, but I'll do it for my revivers if you guys really want me to. But if it is not a big deal and the way that you see it lit up in here is okay, then I definitely will do it. My husband can tell you, I always be like, babe, I want to share, but when I want to hurry up and get it done, I don't have time to be maneuvering around the lights, and it's kind of a lot of work, but you know, y'all let me know. So yeah, that's what we having. The ginger honey glazed pork chops, garlic pork chops, or whatever. It's all those are in there. Basically ginger, honey, glazed, garlic, whatever, all that good stuff. That's what's in there, and I'm letting these sear, and your girl is going to put these in the oven and let them continue cooking. But right now I'm going to let that juices and everything just get locked inside there. And I don't know what else. I think I'm going to make some banana bread tonight. I don't know. I'm not sure. I thought I was going to make a peach cobbler, but my hubby didn't go get the peaches, so yeah. But when he does, I will be recording that, because somebody did request that. So yep. But that's what we're doing. You let me know what y'all think about the lighting and all that good stuff, because I don't like giving cloudy videos or videos that look like you can't get a clear picture of what's going on in this kitchen, you know. I love you guys so much, and my voice is definitely coming back, and your girl gotta cook for her family. So yes, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. So these are the ginger honey garlic pork chops, and I pour all the sauce in there, y'all. I was not trying to waste my sauce. And we're just doing a sauteed spinach, and here is my macaroni with the panko breadcrumbs on it. It's creamy and it is delicious. Oh my gosh, yes. So all right guys, I gotta make our plates, and I will talk to you guys later. So these were our plates, and it was totally amazing. They loved it, loved it, loved it. They just wish that I made more meat, but next time we'll do better. Okay, so guys, please answer below what you think about the lighting situation for my cooking videos for the future, and I will definitely be looking into the comments to see how we can move forward with future cooking videos, because I have a lot to get out to you guys. And you know this is previously recorded, but I had to get this out. I thought I already loaded it. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Later, gators.